the back wheels, the rear wheels, do the exact same way as the front. So this is going to be really quick. You're just going to place in wherever your back wheel or rear wheel is. Open it up. You'll need to. And remember to constrain. Pick that center line. The axle. Center line of that. Okay, move it out of your way so that you can zoom in and constrain the face of the axle. And I need to get the back inside face of that wheel. You can see it's on there. And then do the exact same to that one. So you can see it fits. There's a good shot of it actually fitting on your axle there. There's the whole axle going through. Do constrain. That one. Can't quite see it, so turn it a little bit. That's the one I want. And that there now is a fully assembled CO2 car. That's what it should look like. You should be able to come here and spin the wheels around, but you should not be able to take them off. Stay right on there. That's it.